You're at the booth, the team is swamped, and somehow lead capture still feels like a mess. iCapture fixes that. It turns any phone or tablet into a lead machine. Scan a badge, drop in a note, score the lead, and route it instantly to your CRM or marketing automation platform. No business cards, no manual uploads, no missing leads. Want to ask custom questions? Add qualifiers? Push hot leads straight to sales? Done. And after the event, your leads are already clean, routed, and ready for follow-up before your team even boards their flight home. iCapture is how you stop losing leads and start capturing pipeline. Want a personalized demo? Go to cvent.com to request your demo today. We can't wait to partner with you.